Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Sadia Sami. I'm your class teacher from Junior Boys Section Morning. How are you all? Hope fine and enjoying your time. Today we are going to start our English grammar lesson and it is about pronouns. Look at these words: he, she, it, we, they. He, she, it, we, they. These words are called pronouns. These words are called pronouns. Pronouns take the place of nouns. Or we can say that a pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun in a sentence. प्रोनाउन एक ऐसा वर्ड होता है जिसे हम नाउन की जगह सेंटेंस में यूज करते हैं. Now we will discuss different pronouns. Pronouns he, she, and we are used for people. For example, pronoun he is used for boy, pronoun she is used for girl, and pronoun we is used when there are more than one person. हम प्रोनाउन ही यूज करते हैं बॉय के लिए, प्रोनाउन शी यूज करते हैं गर्ल के लिए और प्रोनाउन वी यूज करते हैं हम एक से ज़्यादा बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स की बात करते हुए. प्रोनाउन इट is used for animals and things. For example, it is an elephant, it is a flower, it is a tree. So, dear students, हम pronoun it तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हम किसी एनिमल या किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हों. Pronoun they is used for more than one person, animal or things. For example, boys and girls are standing and they are waving. Dear students, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं इस सेंटेंस में एक से ज़्यादा लोगों की बात हो रही है तो हम प्रोनाउन they यूज़ करेंगे. There are different animals in the picture and they are standing. इसी तरह इस सेंटेंस में एक से ज़्यादा एनिमल्स की बात हो रही है तो हम प्रोनाउन they यूज़ करेंगे. Let's see the examples of pronouns for further understanding. Look at these sentences. Our first sentence is Aruba ate an apple. She ate an apple. In the second sentence, instead of saying Aruba, we have used the pronoun she for Aruba as she is a girl. In the second sentence, Bobby kicked the football. He kicked the football. In the second sentence, instead of saying Bobby, we have used the pronoun he for Bobby as Bobby is a boy. Bobby and Aruba go to school together because Bobby and Aruba are neighbors. Bobby and Aruba go to school together because they are neighbors. Here we have used the word they instead of saying Bobby and Aruba again. Let's do another exercise. Replace underlined nouns with pronouns. Umar is washing his car. इस सेंटेंस में उमर एक बॉय है so pronoun for Umar will be he. Our second sentence will become he is washing his car. Our next sentence is my friend and I work hard. इस सेंटेंस में एक से ज़्यादा लोगों की बात हो रही है. So, pronoun will be we and our sentence will become we work hard. Our third sentence is my mother is cooking. As mother is female, तो हम जो pronoun use करेंगे वो है she. And our sentence will become she is cooking. Our fourth sentence is the sofa is comfortable. इस सेंटेंस में सोफा एक थिंग है तो हम जो प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे वो है it. So our sentence will become it is very comfortable. Our fifth sentence is the children are running. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं कि एक से ज़्यादा बच्चे खेल रहे हों तो जो प्रोनाउन यहाँ यूज़ करेंगे वो है they. So our sentence will become they are running. Our sixth sentence is Sana went to sleep. इस सेंटेंस में सना एक गर्ल है. So we will replace Sana with pronoun she. And our sentence will become she went to sleep. Our seventh sentence is the sun is shining brightly. इस सेंटेंस में sun एक थिंग है. So we use pronoun it here and our sentence will become it is shining brightly. Our eighth sentence is my father is a doctor. As father is a male तो हम जो pronoun यहाँ use करेंगे वो है he and our sentence will become he is a doctor. Our ninth sentence is Ali and Raza are playing. इस सेंटेंस में टू बॉयज़ की बात हो रही है तो यहाँ जो प्रोनाउन हम यूज़ करेंगे वो है they and our sentence will become they are playing. Our last sentence is my brother and I are reading. So जो प्रोनाउन यहाँ यूज़ होगा वो है we and our sentence will become we are reading. Dear students, hope you have understood pronouns. Now it's your homework time. You have to replace some nouns with pronouns to practice your understanding. The exercise is given here. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.